Hi. It's time to learn about shapes. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, diamond, heart, star, oval. Again. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, diamond, heart, star, oval. Again. Diamond, heart, star, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Practice. Oval, oval, egg. Triangle, triangle, pizza slice. Diamond, diamond, kite. Circle, circle, ball. Star, star, starfish. Square, square, chessboard. Heart, heart, box. Rectangle, rectangle, door. Let's review. What shape is this? Circle. What shape is this? Oval. What shape is this? Rectangle. What shape is this? Diamond. What shape is this? Square. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this? Heart. What shape is this? Star. Let's review. Choose the circle shape. Choose the diamond shape. Choose the triangle shape. Choose the oval shape. Choose the square shape. Choose the star shape. Choose the rectangle shape. Choose the heart shape. Last review. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, diamond, heart, star, oval. Good job. Bye.